Hey guys, in this video, we're going to solve how to remove the duplicate characters or the words in the given string. I'm going to solve it in two different ways. One, using the set, and second, using the filter and the index of. First one, it's going to be very easy. We just have to create an object for the set. The property of set is that it doesn't allow any of the duplicate elements. In this example, I'm going to remove all the duplicate words. So first, of course, I have to convert my entire string into the words, right? So for that, I'm just going to use the split function, and within the split function, I will pass the delimiter as a space. And then I will just store this in a variable called words. And using this array words, I can use the for each, and it is going to return me one element at a time as a callback. And then I can just add the element into my set. So here we have a function called add. And once the loop is completed, of course, I can print that. So console.log and set. Now here we can see that we are able to get only the duplicate characters. In this example, we have like 2 times, but 2 times, man 2 times. But of course, we can see that we are getting all those values only once. But here the capital I and the lowercase I are different because every character treats based on the ASCII. If you are not concerned about the character case sensitive, of course you can convert the entire string to uppercase or maybe the lower case, and then that's going to fix your problem. That's it. Just to make the example very simple, I'm just going to take this string as ABA, and then of course I need this word as well, so I'm just going to copy paste. I'm going to use the filter function now, and within the filter function I can receive 3 arguments as a callback. One is the value, and second one is the index, and third one is the original source in the sense the words is my actual source here. Let us try to print all these 3 and let us understand what it's going to give us. So if I say console.log value and comma index, you can see that A is within the 0th position, B is in the first position, and A in the second position. And then if I try to console log the source, you can see that we are able to get this A, B, A for 3 times. Why 3 times? Because of course we are splitting those within the space, and that means the length of the word is 3 now. So that is the reason the filter function is going to iterate for 3 times. That is the reason we are getting here the source itself for 3 times. Now simple logic here I'm going to apply is the index of. For example, if I say like console.log str dot index of, and if I pass here the A, we can see that it is in the 0th position, and if I pass B, it is in the second position because the space is on the first position, right? Now if I try to again console log the index of A, you can see that it is always going to return us the first matching position. It will not go to the last, it will give us the first matching position. So in this scenario, what is going to happen is I can say like return. Of course, we have to return the return within the filter function, or else filter is not going to work. So here I'm going to say src dot index of the value. So I'm going to check index of the value, and that should be equal to the current index. If this statement is going to be matched or satisfied, then I can just return. It's going to return in the filter, right? So I'm just going to store in a variable. Let's call it as removed, and here I'm just going to log this. Okay, so here you can see that we are able to get now A and B, but of course it's returning us in the format of array. We want this in the format of string. So of course I can use the join function here, and we'll just join based on the space if you are interested, or maybe you can just leave it as it is, right? Since we have space in the original string, we'll also add a space here. So now we can see that we are able to get the answer. So how does it really works is very simple. You can see that if I try to print this, so let me just print here, and here you can see that 0 1 0, right? The first one A is 0th position, and the index of src dot index of this value is also in the 0th position, so that's why it's trying to return. And second time the B is on the first, and here also B is on the first position, so the value, this index of value, is going to return us. But in terms of this third element, which is in the second position, but here it's giving in the first position, I mean in the 0th position, so that doesn't match, right? Because if you see here, this A, when we are trying to use this index of, this is going to return in the first position. That means already we have the value. So it's again the repetitive character or the repetitive word in this scenario, right? So of course, In that way, we can solve this problem easily. So I hope you got this idea. It looks very tough maybe for the first time, but if you just practice once, it's going to be very, very easy. Trust me, it's going to be very easy. So let's quickly recap. We can remove the duplicate characters or the words using two ways. One is using the set. We just convert the string into words or character however you want, and then just look through the words or the characters and then add the elements within the set. And after that, you just print the set, you will get the answer. Second way is using the filter function and the index of function. So within the filter function, we are receiving three arguments in the callback. One is the value itself, another one is the index, and another one is the source itself. Now, if this, so let me just comment this out here. Yeah. So this is just one line of code. So within this function, we are trying to return if the index of value is going to be matched to this particular index. So if both the index are same means, of course, it's unique or else it's duplicate. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, do let me know in the comments. And thanks for watching. See you in the next one very soon.